Hi everyone, welcome back to the Kamal Girdhar show. And in this show, we interview Atmanirbhar dreampreneurs. And today we have a very special guest who is known as the teacher for French, means Tanvi. So let's all welcome Tanvi. How are you doing, Tanvi, today?
Hi everyone, I'm doing good. Hope you all are also doing good.
Oh, we are. I'm so excited because French is kind of, it's kind of in the DNA of the world. So
Yes,
this language is like I think the most popular language in the world.
yes. After English, yes, French and Spanish are the most widely used languages, but French has its own beauty.
Yeah. So I need to know how did you discover this beauty? How did it all start? Or how did you become the Tanvi, the best teacher? People love you so much for this language. So can you share your journey?
Yeah. So I discovered this language when I was learning in school. So we had it as a second language, fortunately. And that's how I began learning French. So from school and then in college, it went on. And I kind of really fell in love with the language because it's such a intricate and beautiful language. So, so then I decided to pursue French as a language because I wanted to learn it. And once I learned the language, I developed the passion for teaching it.
Oh,
So I completed my C1 level from Alliance Française de Bombay. This
right.
is the official French institute
Okay.
for learning the language, and also you have the DELF and the DALF examinations, which you need to give only through them. You
Okay.
can give them only through Alliance Française.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's like an amazing journey. Now, we happen to get some feedback from your clients, and I just want to show you what your clients and students and their parents are saying. So let's watch what they are saying about you.
Sure.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Sai. I started learning French from Tanvi ma'am since I was in 6th grade. She's a very amazing and a very approachable teacher. One more thing I like about her is that if there is any concept I don't understand in French, especially the grammar part, she is always there and I can ask her to explain the concept to me more than 100 times if I need it. Tanvi ma'am est très gentille et j'adore apprendre le français avec elle. Merci beaucoup, madame.
Hello everyone, this is Kesha's mom. Kesha has been learning French with Tanvi for past 3 years. I highly recommend Tanvi. She's a very patient and a very experienced teacher, and she's made learning French a very fun experience for Kesha. So I highly recommend Tanvi.
Hello, I'm Shalaka, Sai's mom. When Sai was in 6th grade, we had to choose between two languages. It was either Hindi or French. And seeing that me and my husband both we do not have any previous knowledge of French, we decided to go for a safer bet of Hindi. But Sai was pretty adamant on choosing French, and we decided to let her pursue her wish. But we knew even at that time that we will need some kind of assistance in the future. So one of my friends at that point of time suggested Tanvi ma'am's name, and she told me that Tanvi ma'am is available to take classes online, which was my first priority. And this is how we got enrolled into Tanvi ma'am's classes. And today, after two and a half years, I should say, I'm really happy that Sai chose French and we got in touch with Tanvi ma'am, and I do not regret one bit choosing her as my child's tutor.
Okay, those were amazing piece of testimonials. I love the kid, giving that beautiful
Yeah.
testimonial. She's amazing. She's so sweet. So
Yes.
why do students and even their parents they love you so much? Like how do you do it? Like how do you teach them? What's that way that makes people? I saw someone sticking with you for more than 2 years, and
Yes.
so they are there with you for very long time. So Tanvi French classes में ऐसा क्या like people just love those classes?
Yeah, so see for me it's not just about scoring marks. in the language. Okay, you have to develop love to learn anything, not just a language, but anything in life you want to learn. You have to be passionate about it.
Right.
And it's very important that you inculcate that passion, in your student. So that's what I do, with my students. I help them really, make them fall in love with the
Yeah.
language.
Oh,
That's
wow.
very important. So then it's natural for them to be eager, to learn, not just because they have it as a second language in school, but l- just learning it and learning the beauty of the language.
True.
So one is that. So that's how my methodology is. We watch videos, we watch short stories, we listen to music in French, and we discover the culture,
Yes.
the French culture, through these videos and music, because the French people and the French culture it's extremely rich.
Right.
So, and the French people are very particular about their language and their culture. So we have at times we play games, we have quizzes.
Okay.
So I think that makes it learning a fun experience for the students. So yeah, I maybe that's why they love learning it from me so much.
Wow. Wow. Now, my next question is, who is Tanvi French classes for?
So this is for school students from grade 6 to 9th who have chosen French as a secondary language in their school. It is also for 11th and 12th students, and as well as working professionals who are looking to go to Canada or France or any European country, African countries,
Right.
where they speak French. So we have the A1, A2 levels for them as well.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So,
Yeah.
all those who are watching this interview must be wondering, how do we join Tanvi's French classes? So, for you, here's how you join Tanvi's online French classes. Step 1. Download the ABCmart app, the world's first Atmanirbhar marketplace for authentic educational digital product and services, available both on Google Play and App Store. Step 2. Go to the store section and search for Tanvi's French classes. Step 3. Check out the free material if you want, like case studies, demo videos, testimonials. And once you're interested, simply click on I'm interested and complete your checkout via WhatsApp. Once the checkout is complete, you can access your purchase from the home screen of the app. So there you have it, guys. The invitation is out. Go download the ABC Mart app and join Tanvi's online French classes. Thank you so much, Tanvi. Any last word before we can wrap this interview?
Yes, so learning French is a really good opportunity for all of you out there. So I think you all must make use of it, because nowadays, everybody aspires to go abroad,
Right.
to, for their career or to settle. So, if you're looking to migrate to Canada or France or any other European country, it's going to be an added benefit for you to be to know French.
Yes.
And yes, also it's a very good learning a foreign language is it's an extremely good exercise for your brain as well.
Oh, right.
So yes, that is one more added benefit of learning language. So I'm grateful to the Atmanirbhar community. So it's providing you an opportunity, to enhance your learning experience
Yes.
through them.
Wow, thank you so much. So, guys, go download the ABC Mart app and just join Tanvi's online French classes for school students 6th to 9th, for college students 11th, 12th, and for professionals A1, A2. That's it. And before we leave, always remember this one thing. Keep smiling, because you look good when you smile. Just like how Tanvi is smiling right now. So
Yes.
she looks great. I'm sure you're gonna look great. And once you join Tanvi's online French classes, you're gonna smile even more. So what are you waiting for? Just download the app. The links are in the description box, and go join Tanvi's online French classes at a huge discount. and she is waiting out there to teach you, guide you, and make you an expert when it comes to loving, speaking, and living with French. Okay, so thank you, take care, and we'll see you next week with another Atmanirbhar Dreampreneur. Till then, have a great week. Enjoy.
Thank you, everyone.
Hello, I'm Shalaka, Say's mom. When Say was in 6th grade, we had to choose between two languages. It was either Hindi or French. And seeing that me and my husband both, we do not have any previous knowledge of French, we decided to go for a safer bet of Hindi. But Say was pretty adamant on choosing French, and we decided to let her pursue her wish. But we knew even at that time that we will need some kind of assistance in the future. So one of my friends at that point of time suggested Tanvi ma'am's name, and she told me that Tanvi ma'am is available to take classes online, which was my first priority. And this is how we got enrolled into Tanvi ma'am's classes. And today, after 2.5 years, I should say, I'm really happy that Say chose French, and we got in touch with Tanvi ma'am, and I do not regret one bit choosing her as my child's tutor.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Say. I started learning French from Tanvi ma'am since I was in 6th grade. She's a very amazing and a very approachable teacher. One more thing I like about her is that if there is any concept I don't understand in French, especially the grammar part, she is always there, and I can ask her to explain the concept to me more than 100 times if I need it. Tanvi ma'am est très gentille et j'adore apprendre le français avec elle. Merci beaucoup, madame.
Hello everyone, this is Kesha's mom. Kesha has been learning French with Tanvi for past 3 years. I highly recommend Tanvi. She's a very patient and a very experienced teacher, and she's made learning French a very fun experience for Kesha. So I highly recommend Tanvi.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Kesha. J'ai 10 ans et j'habite en Melbourne. J'ai appris le français avec Tanvi madame pour 3 années. Elle est une excellente institutrice pour le français. Elle a fait apprendre le français très facile pour moi. Merci beaucoup.
I turn my dreams into reality.